T for Thelma. Upgrade, upgrade. Come on, give me an upgrade, 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 upgrade. Keep on going. There you go. Give me the upgrade. There we go. Yes. Yes. T for Thelma again. Come on. Grand jackpot. Come on. Come on. Super, super, super. Stop, stop, stop. Right there, right there. Nope. Super mega hat. You gonna give me the mansion? T for me again. Right there. Nope. Right there. Right there. Nope. Right there. Nope. Right there. Give me room to upgrade. There we go. 3 more. 1, 2. Come on. Come on. Give me 3. Come on. 1 more. 1 more. There we go. There we go. 1 more. Come on. There we go. One more. There we go. Wait. Come on, give me 3. Come on, come on. Come on, give me 1 more. There we go. I don't have any mansions yet. Look at Wolfie hungry up there. Come on, 2 more. Nope. Come on, come on. Come on, 2 more. There we go. There we go. No mansions. Come on. No mansions. 3 more. Come on, 1 more. 1 mansion. Come on. 3 more. 1 more. Woo, 3 mansions. Come on, blue eyes. 3 mansions. A lot of houses. Oh, look at blue eyes. Sorry for the glare. $1. Okay, 50. Oh, these is 2 cents. Okay. $15. $16. Come on, give me some coins. Give me some coins. 3-0. Okay, but mini bonus. That's good. You could have gave me a better upgrade than that. $116. $18. $122.